In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from Gmail to Outlook. This process ensures that all your important contacts from your Gmail account are easily accessible in your Outlook account, streamlining your communication and making sure you never lose a crucial connection. First, we need to export your contacts from your Gmail account. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail website, log into your account if you haven't already done so. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon composed of 9 small squares, commonly referred to as the Google Apps icon. Click on this icon, and among the various options, find and select Contacts. Upon entering the Contacts page, you'll notice a side panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down that panel to find a set of options under More. Click on Export, and this will bring up a new window. Here, you'll have the opportunity to choose the format in which to export your contacts. For the purpose of importing into Outlook, opt for the Outlook CSV format. This is crucial because it ensures compatibility with Outlook's importing system. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click the Export button. This action will download a CSV file containing all of your Gmail contacts to your computer. Now, let's transition to importing these contacts into Outlook. Start by launching Outlook on your computer. Within the Outlook application, look up to find the File tab and click on it. From here, select the Open Export option, which will lead you to another series of choices. Choose Import Export to proceed to the next step. A wizard will appear on your screen, presenting various actions that Outlook can perform with your data. Here, we need to select Import from another program or file, then click Next. You'll be prompted to choose the file type that you want to import. Since we exported our Gmail contacts as a CSV file, select comma-separated values and then continue by clicking Next. Now it's time to locate the file you downloaded earlier. Click the Browse button, find the CSV file on your computer, and select it. Click Next again to continue with the import process. To wrap up the import, you'll see an option to select the destination folder for your imported contacts. Make sure you choose the Contacts folder within Outlook to ensure they are saved in the correct location. Finally, click on Finish to complete the import process. Once the import is complete, all your Gmail contacts will now be available in your Outlook account. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your contacts from Gmail to Outlook. This seamless transition means you can now access all your contacts from one convenient location, making your communication more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.